So we're gonna get ready to go to IHOP and get some breakfast, and then just spend a little time together today. My hair, not the best hair day. I had actually washed my hair yesterday, and I didn't do anything to it except put it in a bonnet, so that's why it's kind of looking. So I think I'm more, I have to do a wig review, so I think I'll probably wear a wig tomorrow when I come back. But they're waiting for me in the car, so.
You must have to see your mommy. CJ, that's actually good. I'm rich, and CJ don't have a lot of money, so I'm good. You must have to
Thanks, CJ.
Thanks for the good roast. Yeah, I get.
Alright, Starbucks, what can we get started for you today?
Yes, one moment, please.
Okay, take your time. Let me know when you're ready.
Is that mocha cookie crumble good?
Yeah, it's actually a really popular frappuccino.
Okay, I'd like to try that.
Perfect. What size would you like?
A tall.
Okay. Just said a tall and what else?
That's all.
Oh, perfect. We'll have the total ready for you at the window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So on this part right here, I actually had to mute the audio because there was music playing in the background, and I don't want to get copyright strike from YouTube. But this was actually pretty good. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it's pretty good. And now we're on our way to the second IHOP because we actually left from the first IHOP. I know this looks good.
You know what you're getting?
I'm gonna get the 2x2x2. That's what I usually get. Plug it up in the car?
What? My phone?
Yeah.
My phone is plugged up. I don't know.
Alright, so my fiance just came out of Walmart, and now he's right here. Some kind of like little urban menswear store. But what had happened earlier was, so we had originally went to IHOP and literally went in there, finally got seated. We sat there like 10-15 minutes. Nobody ever came to the table. Nobody ever greeted us. Nobody ever asked us what we wanted to drink. Nothing. So he was like, you want to just go somewhere else and leave? So I was like, yeah. So we packed up, was walking out the door. One of the waitresses was like, y'all have a good day. And I looked at her like, we never even got service. And she's like, oh, I'm sorry. I'm like, no, y'all not sorry. Because like y'all walked by us several times. Never did come over there and like, I don't know whose table that was. But anyway, so then we left. We went to this other breakfast place called Huddle House. Sat in the parking lot, tried to decide if we wanted that. Decided we didn't want that. Then we thought about Chili's. Decided we didn't want that. We ended up driving about 15 minutes down the road to another IHOP. So then that's the footage earlier when we finally made it to the other IHOP and got service. So it's just kind of sad because, to tell you the truth, like the first IHOP is like in a predominantly black area, and it's like the service there versus the second IHOP, which is in a more predominantly white area. Like this, it's just crazy how the service is way different depending on like where you go and things like that. So after we leave from here, I'm gonna see where we're gonna go, and then I need to actually make it home so I can finish some YouTube videos and I can finish my hair, because I feel like my hair is just, I don't, like, you know when your hair don't look cute, you don't feel cute. Like, I don't know, it just like when my hair don't be looking right, I don't feel right. My whole vibe be off. So we've made it to the bowling alley. They're in the restrooms right there. But it's pretty quiet in here right now. So we're gonna go to the game room. Come on. Yep. He want me to take a picture. The bar part is closed. It's kind of dark right here, but I'll take it anyway.
Can you take a picture of like where you can see those things right there?
I already did.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna go play some games. This is closed. It's open on the weekends though. The little game thing where you redeem your tickets. They have a decent amount of games in here. And we have it all to ourselves because nobody's here. Today is a Wednesday and it's like 1 or 2 o'clock.
CJ, this is CJ. This is Mom. I'm trying to get the best shot I can.
Golden big bowl.
I don't know, that's something new.
These got all the answers.
Yes indeed. So after we played a bit, we ended up stopping at Krispy Kreme, got us some donuts. So Omari got his hair cut. My fiance is a barber, so he just cut their hair downstairs. This is Omari's haircut. Turn around. Let me see your hair. All right. So we've been ripping and running all day, and we finally made it back home. And before I end this vlog, I want to send a special shout out to Jamie and Tara's girl. Both of them had sent me some stuff from my Amazon wish list. I'm gonna show you guys in just a minute, but Tara's girl, I'll leave her Instagram down below because she does really beautiful nail artwork on her Instagram page. Make sure to check her out. And then Jamie is a really good friend of mine, and she's very sweet. And I just want to thank both of you ladies. Thank y'all so much, because this is like so unexpected, so like it made it even more special. It was unexpected. My Amazon wish list is down in my description box, so they had got it from one of my last videos. But Tara's girl had got me this really pretty purse right here. And it does come with, sorry, EJ's in there making noise. It does come with a handle strap that you can put on both ends of this. And it has a main compartment, a second compartment, and a little front compartment. I would probably like put my cell phone in the front, or little like lip glosses and stuff like that. And then put my wallet and stuff in the back compartments. But I just thought that was really cute. Really cute. And then Jamie also got me a purse off my wish list. I think this is really cute as well. This would be super cute for date night. This is what the inside looks like. It has 2 compartments and a zipper in the middle, a zipper on the back. It has 2 little pockets right here. You can slip your cell phone or lotion or... EJ! Be quiet! It has 2 little compartments right here where you can put like lotion or lip balm or cell phone, something like that. And then it got the zipper in the back right here. So I thought that was very cute. And then this tablet case was also on there for kids. This is a good tablet case for kids. And she also got a little book for the letter to write, because EJ, he's learning how to like write in his letters and numbers. So I thought this would be really nice. That's what it looks like. They can trace over things in their letters and shapes. The phone case, it says God is within her, she will not fail. Psalms 46:5. That is so awesome. It's gonna go on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. It's definitely gonna go on there. And also a little wallet. This is cute. I love pink and I love turquoise. It comes with a little wristlet on there, and I'm gonna show you what the inside looks like. It has the part that holds the cards, the zipper part for your change. You can put your bills in the back, and then also it's big enough in here if you want to like slide your cell phone in here. So I thought that was cute. So thank y'all ladies so much. Like, I love getting surprises. I love gifts. I love communicating with y'all. A lot of y'all send me emails, send me private messages, and stay in constant contact. So I just want to thank y'all so much for watching my channel, for just rocking with me for so long. I feel like I've been on YouTube forever, and some of y'all been following me forever. So I just thank y'all for continuing to be here and watch and everything. But that's pretty much it for today. This is definitely a laid back chill day. I gotta do something in my head because I'm going to work tomorrow, and I definitely not going to work looking like this. Trust and believe. Definitely gonna be wig day tomorrow. Plus I'm gonna do a review of that wig that I'll be posting. It's from a company named Hairspells. So that'll be one of my next videos coming up. And also I have some reviews coming up from a company called Pure Beauty Hair Biotin Serum. Those will be coming up as well. But anyway, yes, if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.